Hi, would you like to use some fancy and erudite words in your English language? Do you like synonyms? Well, by the end of this video, you'll have a stack of synonyms, which will make you very presentable in front of your friends, leaving their heads scratching and wondering what to reply, right? So, of course, it enhances your writing and conversational skills too. But first, do subscribe, like and share Learnify me. If you have already, thank you.
So, synonym. As the Google puts it, synonym is the word which is derived from the ancient Greek word called synonymon. Syno means similar or altogether. Mnemon means name. So similar, name. Okay. Moving ahead, synonyms do not always have exactly the same meaning as one another, but it does help you to put other people's ideas in your own words. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's see the place where people live. There are many terms to address the same, and that is slum, palace, bungalow, flat, residence, shack. Would you know when to use each of the above? Or where do each of these people live? Find the word from above and let's try this one. A prince, palace, a very poor person in a city living close to many others. Slum, an average person who lives on their own. Flat, a very poor person living out of town. Shack. Yes. Now, here are a group of synonyms which you have to address. So, write each set of the words in order from mild feeling to the most powerful feeling. This may vary. It's just matter of opinion, not a fact. Okay. So, it is not in order. Grief-stricken, sad, unhappy, miserable, depressed, distraught, tearful. Another word is happy, pleased, ecstatic, contented, delighted, positive, cheerful. Now let us arrange this. Unhappy, sad, miserable, tearful, depressed, distraught, grief-stricken. From mild to the most powerful feeling. You can even pause the video and try it on your own. Positive, pleased, happy, contented, cheerful, delightful, ecstatic. Going further, we have the word nice. There is one little word called nice in English which is really useful. And there are times when this little word is just the right word to use. But often this nice little word needs to be chopped out and replaced because it is so overused, it has lost many real meanings. Let's look at the example also. That is, we have an exercise. You'll understand this very clearly. You have to rewrite the following paragraph, choosing the word from the box to replace each nice you have underlined. So if you can think of a different words instead, use them too. Okay? My friend Jeremy is very nice to me. He and I had a nice time last Saturday when he took me to the nice burger bar in the nice shopping mall near us. It's really nice inside. Everything is nice and clean and it looks so nice. And the food smells nice too. And the taste. Well, the burger we had looked nice and tasted nice. Jeremy paid for all we had, including an extra big nice milkshake. He is really nice. So you have to use the words which are given in the brackets instead of the word nice. Fine. Here is my response. You can pause the video and try your own response. Okay, here is mine. My friend Jeremy is very generous to me. He And I had a quality time last Saturday when he took me to the Smart Burger Bar in the modern shopping mall near us. It's really well designed inside. Everything is up to date and clean and it looks so fantastic. And the food smells fresh too. And the taste, well, the burger we had looked delicious and tasted scrumptious. Jeremy paid for all we had, including an extra big creamy milkshake. He is really kind. Done? So, thank you. If you have any questions, you can get in touch with me through my email ID or on YouTube channel Learnify Me and my Insta handle Nikita Uttam Chandani. Thank you.